The future rewards those who keep moving forward. I don't have time to regret my life decisions. I don't have time to complain. Because I'm busy moving forward. In the pursuit of success and fulfillment, the philosophy of continually moving forward holds significant power. The belief that the future rewards those who keep moving forward encapsulates a forward-thinking mindset essential for achieving one's goals. This perspective prioritizes progress, dismisses regret, and rejects negativity, thereby fostering a proactive and determined attitude towards life. The notion that the future rewards continuous effort underscores the importance of perseverance. Success is not an instantaneous achievement but a gradual process built on consistent action and determination. By keeping one's eyes on the horizon and steadily advancing towards goals, individuals position themselves to reap the benefits of their efforts in the future. This proactive approach ensures that every step taken, no matter how small, contributes to long-term success and personal growth. Integral to this mindset is the dismissal of regret. The statement, "I don't have time to regret my life decisions," reflects a pragmatic and constructive attitude towards past experiences. Regret often anchors individuals to the past, hindering their ability to move forward. By viewing past decisions as learning experiences rather than sources of sorrow, one can focus on the present and future. This shift in perspective allows for a more resilient and adaptive approach to life's challenges, fostering continuous improvement and self-growth. Similarly, the rejection of complaining plays a crucial role in maintaining forward momentum. Complaints, like regrets, consume valuable time and energy that could be better spent on productive endeavors. The declaration, "I don't have time to complain," signifies a commitment to positive action over negative rumination. It emphasizes the importance of channeling energy towards overcoming obstacles and seizing opportunities, rather than lamenting difficulties. This proactive stance not only enhances personal effectiveness but also cultivates a positive and empowering mindset. The culmination of these attitudes is a proactive and determined approach to life, encapsulated in the assertion, "Because I'm busy moving forward." This phrase highlights an active engagement with one's goals and aspirations. It signifies a relentless drive to keep advancing, regardless of past setbacks or present challenges. Such determination is essential for personal and professional growth, as it ensures that one's focus remains on progress and improvement. In summary, the philosophy of continually moving forward is a powerful approach to achieving success and fulfillment. By prioritizing progress, dismissing regret, and rejecting negativity, individuals can cultivate a resilient, optimistic, and proactive attitude towards life. This mindset not only enhances personal effectiveness but also ensures that every effort contributes to long-term success and growth. Embracing this philosophy empowers individuals to navigate life's challenges with determination and optimism, ultimately leading to a rewarding and fulfilling future. No matter where you come from, what you look like, or who you love, if you work hard and responsibly, you will achieve success. The belief that, no matter where you come from, what you look like, or who you love, if you work hard and responsibly, you will achieve success, encapsulates a powerful message about equality, meritocracy, and the transformative power of hard work. This statement promotes an inclusive vision of society, where success is accessible to all individuals regardless of their background, appearance, or sexual orientation. By emphasizing hard work and responsibility, it champions the idea that personal effort and dedication are key determinants of success. At the heart of this statement is a message of inclusivity. By asserting that success is achievable for everyone, regardless of where you come from, what you look like, or who you love, the statement highlights the importance of equal opportunity. It rejects discrimination based on race, gender, sexual orientation, or socioeconomic background, advocating instead for a society where all individuals are given a fair chance to succeed. This inclusive outlook promotes the idea that diversity should be celebrated and that everyone should have the opportunity to realize their potential. The emphasis on hard work and responsibility underscores the principle of meritocracy. According to this view, success is primarily determined by individual effort and responsibility. It suggests that anyone can achieve their goals through dedication and diligence, regardless of their starting point in life. This belief in meritocracy is empowering, as it encourages individuals to take control of their destiny and work towards their goals with determination and perseverance. Moreover, the statement conveys a sense of optimism and empowerment. It inspires individuals to believe in their potential and capabilities, fostering confidence and motivation. By focusing on the power of hard work and responsibility, it encourages people to strive for their aspirations with a positive mindset. This optimistic perspective can be a powerful motivator, driving individuals to overcome challenges and persist in the face of adversity. However, while the statement promotes an idealistic vision, it is important to recognize the complexities of the real world. Systemic barriers and inequalities, such as socioeconomic disparities, discrimination, and unequal access to resources, can impact an individual's ability to succeed. These factors can create obstacles that hard work and responsibility alone may not overcome. Therefore, while the statement's message is inspiring, it is also essential to address and dismantle these systemic barriers to create a truly equitable society. In conclusion, the belief that success is attainable for everyone who works hard and responsibly, regardless of their background, appearance, or sexual orientation, promotes the ideals of equality, meritocracy, and empowerment. It encourages individuals to pursue their goals with determination and confidence, while also highlighting the importance of creating a society that offers equal opportunities for all. By embracing these values and addressing systemic barriers, we can work towards a future where everyone has the chance to achieve success and realize their potential. Change will not come if we wait for someone else or some other time. The only person we should rely on is ourselves. We are the change that we seek. The assertion that change will not come if we wait for someone else or some other time. The only person we should rely on is ourselves. We are the change that we seek highlights the critical importance of personal responsibility, urgency, and proactive action in effecting meaningful transformation. This statement advocates for a mindset shift towards self-reliance and emphasizes that individuals possess the power to initiate the changes they desire. Central to this statement is the urgency of action. The idea that change will not come if we wait for someone else or some other time underscores the necessity of immediate effort. Waiting passively for external factors or others to drive change is portrayed as ineffective. Instead, the statement calls for a proactive approach, emphasizing that the momentum for change must come from within. This sense of urgency challenges individuals to take decisive action now rather than postponing their efforts for a more opportune moment. The emphasis on personal responsibility is a key component of the statement. By asserting that the only person we should rely on is ourselves, it highlights the importance of self-reliance. This perspective fosters a sense of personal accountability, encouraging individuals to take ownership of their actions and decisions. In doing so, it empowers people to recognize their agency and their ability to influence their circumstances. This sense of personal empowerment is crucial for driving change, as it motivates individuals to act with purpose and conviction. Furthermore, the statement reinforces the idea of empowerment and agency with the phrase, "We are the change that we seek." This suggests that individuals hold the power to effect the changes they desire. By internalizing this belief, people can adopt a proactive mindset, understanding that meaningful change starts with their own actions and commitments. This perspective aligns with the concept of agency, where individuals acknowledge their capacity to shape their environment and the world around them. Additionally, while the statement focuses on individual responsibility, it also implies the potential for collective action. If each person embraces this mindset, the combined efforts of many can lead to significant societal changes. This calls for a collective awakening, where everyone contributes to the larger goal of transformation. By recognizing that each individual's actions matter, the statement promotes a sense of shared responsibility and collective empowerment. The statement also addresses the common inertia that often hinders change. It challenges the tendency to wait for the right moment or the right person to catalyze transformation. By advocating for immediate and self-initiated efforts, it encourages individuals to overcome procrastination and take charge of their destinies. In conclusion, the belief that change will not come if we wait for someone else or some other time. The only person we should rely on is ourselves. We are the change that we seek, champions the principles of self-reliance, empowerment, and proactive action. It emphasizes that meaningful change requires individuals to take ownership and act immediately, rather than waiting for external circumstances or other people to drive the transformation. By embracing this mindset, individuals can become the catalysts for the change they wish to see in the world, ultimately leading to a more empowered and proactive society.